What's up, guys? Welcome back to our channel, The Virtual Wholesalers. I know that it's been a couple months since we put a new video out, so we're thrilled to be here and be able to do this again. Yeah, it was pre-COVID. So, you know, Adam brings up COVID because we have changed our entire life since COVID. So, just to give you an idea of what we decided to do, when COVID hit, we were, we were running the wholesale business. It was going great, and COVID hit, and it did die off a little, but not much. It wasn't terrible, as you know, if you're in the Jacksonville market. However, we decided that it gave us some time to sit down and really take some time off and decide what we wanted to do. For those of you who don't know us, back in 2016, Adam and I jumped in an RV and traveled full-time with the kids for about a year, and it's where we were the most happy. You know, it made us feel the most alive. So we came home to put the kids in school because Gray was starting kindergarten, and we didn't really think that we could homeschool. So that's the whole reason for us coming home and settling down again in a house. And everything was fine for a while, but I think as everyone feels sometime in their life, you know, we always kind of felt a little stagnant.
No growth.
There was growth in books and in business, but there's a different...
Not in experiences.
Yeah, there's a different type of growth with experience and, you know, feeling free. So when COVID hit, it just kind of gave us the perfect opportunity to look at our life and decide what we really wanted out of it. One of the things that really changed for us was the kids were thrusted into homeschool anyway. So we decided at that point that we could do homeschooling. And if we were going to do that and they weren't going to be in school, why were we living in a house?
Yeah.
So this all happened very quickly, but it was really hard to get a video done because within those 2 months, we sold everything, put stuff in storage, and we bought a travel trailer and a new truck, and we are back on the road.
New truck was not planned.
Yeah.
But it is what it is. You just roll with the punches and keep going.
Bought the trailer first and decided we needed a new truck for it. But so right now we are coming to you from Elizabeth, Colorado. We are staying at a hip camp. If you don't know what that is, it's just an app. It's kind of like an Airbnb for people that own land and they rent it out to RVers. So we are staying there. It is amazing, and we'll probably throw some footage in there for you to see it. But anyway, so a lot has changed in our life. The things that haven't changed is we are still wholesaling, and we're just doing it from here. We are mainly in Jacksonville, and we have decided that we're not really looking to wholesale in any other city. So when we're virtual wholesaling, we mean that we're virtually wholesaling as we can be anywhere, and we're wholesaling in one city. So that virtual kind of has a lot of meanings. You know, other people take it as you're in many, many markets, which we have done that. We've been in up to 12 markets and decided that that was a little too big for us, and we just wanted a, smaller business because we didn't really want the added responsibilities. We wanted to be able to travel and not really feel so tied down or like, it used to be sometimes Adam and I wouldn't talk for days because we were just so busy with work. We just had so much on our plate. So our life is very different from that, and we really enjoy it. And so we want to share that with you guys. So one of the things we've done and we're working on now is we're going to put a course out. It's going to be called The Virtual Wholesalers, and it's a course for people that are interested in our lifestyle and living our lifestyle. If you are looking to have a business like Grant Cardone or some of the other really big wholesalers, this would probably not be the course for you because we're going to teach you how to run very, very lean and have a lot of time for yourself and your family and kind of live more of a hippie lifestyle. So
rather than take the downtime as a negative, it actually gave us some time to start working on a couple of the other projects that we had been wanting to get off the ground and get launched. During that time, we were able to open a call center. Shannon can fill you in on that.
You can go to primecoldcallers.com. We have been getting incredible results with our cold callers. I always have to make sure that it works. And so we've had our cold callers on for a year now. And that's when Adam and I decided, once we started really seeing the results that we wanted, and we knew it was time we could share them and actually get some really incredible feedback. The thing for us was Adam and I had struggled for a long time finding the right cold callers. I think we were always just kind of looking for the cheapest route.
Yeah.
And And that was fine. However, it wasn't producing us the results we wanted. So we had to step it up a little and pay just a little more, but it's not anything absurd. It's not what you would pay in the States. And all of our callers are they speak 10 out of 10 English. They are all bilingual in Spanish. They have years of experience in cold calling. So the call center they work in, it's not like you're hiring someone overseas that's working from their house. These guys are held accountable. They have a cold call center to go to every single day. So, I mean, these guys are business. They mean business, and they do a really, really good job. So we offer them at $10 an hour, and they must be on a minimum of 30 hours a week. But you will not be disappointed. They will bring the results you're looking for finally. So if you feel that you really ramped up and ready to go, I highly suggest going to primecoldcallers.com. And, we do have a little bit of a wait period. We have a lot of interest. So the sooner you can get in there, the better. But anyway, enough about all of that.
Wait, so also to add on to that, these guys, they are not just there for lead gen. We actually have our cold caller he kind of does our acquisitions, and he does all of our follow-up calls and calls back, 1-2 months down the road. I mean, he really is like, I guess he kind of is like an acquisition manager.
Yeah.
We ultimately have the ultimate decision, but he pretty much runs it on the front end. So if that's something that you're looking for in your company, if you really need an acquisition manager, it may really be smart for you to check into these guys and just listen to their English. You will see, I can guarantee you that you will see that these guys can really run the front end of your business.
They do. We have some recordings, so you can download those and listen to those on that website that I gave you. That way you can kind of hear what they sound like and, how they handle certain situations. So our caller, they, like Adam said, they do all of our follow-up calls. When you have someone on your acquisitions team that's running acquisitions, their main focus should be contracts, offers, getting stuff to the closing table, signed up into the closing table. They're not able to focus on the lead gen side, or the side where when you are doing lead gen and you get all these leads in, you have to filter through those leads. It's like lead qualifying. These people can do your lead qualifying, the cold callers, and that's essentially what we've cut out from our acquisition side. So now acquisitions really has time to focus on what they need to focus on, and that's where the money's made.
We are acquisitions.
Yeah,
so that's
Adam's
us.
Acquisition. So, but because we run so lean, we have to find ways to make it work for us.
Yes.
And this is what we found. So we use the Mojo dialer, and we have buckets set up, and I have a video on that. So if you guys are interested, I can send you the video to show you how we're doing it, and then and we can go from there.
So that's where we stand as far as like our personal life and what we're doing as far as living situation. Not sure where we'll be at the end of summer. We got to see what happens with COVID, what happens with school. If they keep school virtual, we will 100% stay out on the road. If they decide that they're going to bring everybody back, not really sure what we're going to do. We'll have to see what that looks like as far as if they're going to have the kids wearing masks, no touching. I'm not sure where we'll do with that, but anyway.
We haven't quite decided yet.
Totally have not decided that. We're going to enjoy the summer right now.
Yeah.
And just live life and try and spend as much quality time as we can with each other as a family. We're going to also be filming a more of like a travel vlog, or just something to show like what we're doing in each city. I know that this is not wholesale related, so we're going to create a separate playlist on this channel. If you're interested in that, feel free to look at it. Or if you have any opinions on or things that we should definitely go see that are out there, please send us a message, drop a comment on this video, and we will definitely check them out.
Guys, so I know this video didn't have a ton of education in it. We just kind of wanted to let you know where our life is going and what we're up to. But we will be putting out educational videos still on this channel. And if you have any interest in the cold callers, please check them out, primecoldcallers.com. And we will keep you in touch about the virtual wholesaler course that we have coming out.
All right, guys, we will catch you guys next week. See ya.
Bye.